Hey guys, I'm back. It's been a while. Long winter up here in Canada, but I'm back, and it's probably one of the best times of year because we're heading north to do what I love to do and get the cottage ready and open it up for another season. So we're just gonna do a little bit of filming of this. I don't know how much I'm gonna get from this, but I figured I might as well get back into the groove and start vlogging again and doing some stuff. So see what happens. Anyways, yeah, we're just heading up north now. We're just on the 410 heading on to Highway 10, just coming out of Brampton, and yeah, we're checking in a little bit. It should take us about 2 hours to get up there. Well, we've made it back up here. It's a bit chilly. What a beautiful day out here. As you can probably see, really glassy out there. Wish I could be out on the sea to open up the cottage, get everything ready, get ready for the long weekend up here. So absolutely beautiful. So good to be back. All right, guys. Well, got the water on, so that's all good for the season. Cleaned the place up, got the lights out, got all that stuff done, cleaned up the pathways, got rid of some of the leaves, got the chairs, all ready to go for these views that you can't wait for. That's gonna wrap up this little video of just getting everything ready. Not the most exciting of stuff, but just means more videos are coming. Should hopefully have the sea-doo soon. Get warm enough to get out on the water for that, so that should be fun. Like I said, got all the work done that needed to get done. Got to bring some trees down. All the trees there. Got fire pit all ready to go. So almost there. So the water is way up this year. So last year it was just touching that rock, so we're up a good couple feet. That completely destroyed the gabion, so I'm gonna have to cut that all out. So besides that, then we're ready for the season, so let the adventures begin. Till the next one. Thanks for watching.